don't have to take it to a tire shop to get the internal sensor installed. They're just basically like really big valve cover valve caps that you screw on. And you screw those on, you put the sensor for the TPMS system, you plug it in the back of your display. Please note in the directions for the TPMS sensor, it says that you want to try to minimize it from other electronic interference. Don't wrap it around anything else. So the sensor, that sensor, I pushed as far back as possible back behind the display to hopefully get away from any interference. So I did add that after the fact once I've started to put everything away and I was prepared to take the car to get the sensors installed, and I realized I didn't have that kit. I just had the external kit. So I went ahead and reinstalled that, or installed it later. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Look below in the comments for links to everything that I've installed today, tools and recommendations and the like. If you like what you've seen, please click subscribe. I always try to answer as many comments as I can if there's any questions or anything else like that. And I hope this install goes for easily for you as it did for me. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.